candidate number 21, Naela Azobashi Albazi. Hi. Pick your question. Here we go. Your question is, if you win this pageant, how can you help President Mayor Eric Estrada in implementing his various programs, especially for the underprivileged?
First off, whether I won the crown or not, I was gonna join helping him with his charity work. I was asking if I could join in, and they accepted, saying that every single Thursday they would message me saying that I can join with them. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good luck. Next, candidate number 23, Jelly Francesca. Come on. Pick a question. Here we go. What is the relevance of a beauty pageant in a society?
As I've said earlier, the relevance of a beauty pageant to a society is beauty pageant gives you a platform to influence a lot of people, to give you the chance, the opportunity to implement a lot of rules and advocacies that can help the society. I guess it's the relevance of it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good luck. Candidate number 3, Diana Mappy. What is your philosophy or value that you will dearest in life?
My value that I will forever treasure in my life is to be humble. Wherever I may be, I will always be humble, and I will always be on my feet, whatever I will be in the future. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good luck there. Please join us, Sophia Sibog, ang candidate number 7.
Pero maganda na rin kasi pinahaba ko. Kasi pinahaba ko po pa.
Are you going to use your platform in Miss Manila in this age of fake news?
Yes, I will still use my platform because not all news is fake. My platform would be conserving, preserving, restoring historical landmarks, such as partnering with organizations that specify in preservation of historical landmarks. And I think that's very important in the city of Manila, which has a very big history, such as Intramuros, and I think that preserving historical landmarks is very important because Manila has a lot of
That's okay. Thank you, Sophia. Good luck. And now the last of top 5 finalists. Please welcome Maria Gail Gomez, candidate number 11. Let me mix the questions. Good luck. Hope you chose the right one. Other than you, who should we pick for this title?
Other
than me, I am here because I want to win. That is all. And if I pick someone other than me, it should be the same with me, determined and has purpose. Because I am here not only for the prize, I am not only here for the pageant, I am here for the foundation, for the charity. I have heard that I am not.
Thank you, Maria Gail. Good luck to all 5 of our 5 finalists. And that officially concludes our competition. Thank you and congratulations, ladies. Your fate now lies in the hands of the judges. While we wait for the verdict, here's Yasi together with our reigning Miss Manila.
Thank you, Edu. And with me now is Miss Manila 2016, the very, very beautiful Cristel Tolentino. Hi, Cristel. Napakaganda mo. Kamusta naman ang pagiging isang Miss Manila? How was your experience?
The past year had been very, very incredible for me. I've learned a lot from the people I've met, from the experience that I've gained, and also it has been very meaningful. As